Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the new CapCut export problem, where copying from the combination folder no longer works in the latest version. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll show a very important setting that prevents CapCut from auto-updating. First, I opened CapCut. Here you can see, this is the latest version. Now I'm closing CapCut and going to the control panel. Then I selected CapCut from Uninstall a Program and uninstalled it. Next, I opened Google Chrome and searched CapCut Download PC up to down. I opened the first link, scrolled down, and clicked on Older Versions. Then selected version 6.0.0.2291. Scrolled again and clicked Download. I already have it downloaded, so I'll cancel it. Now I opened File Explorer and installed the downloaded CapCut file. After installation, I clicked Start. Confirm. Now let's check. The version is 6.0.0. Remember, old projects won't open in this version. To open them, you'll need to update back to 7.3.0. So I created a new project. Imported a video clip. Added 2 transitions. And clicked on Export. Here it shows a pop-up saying, Join Pro to export. So I went back and opened File Explorer to show how to copy from the combination folder. Don't skip this part, I'll show an important setting at the end. Now see, the combination is complete and we can copy the exported file. I replaced the old video with the new one in the timeline. Now when I go to export, it's working fine. I'm not going to export, just showing it works. Then I went back to the main CapCut app. As you can see, you can't sign in or join Pro, because if you do, CapCut will auto-update to the latest version again. Now important setting, let's fix that auto-update issue. Go to CapCut Settings General. Scroll down to Automatic Updates. Uncheck it and select Get Notified about updates. Otherwise, CapCut will automatically update next time you open it. That's it. Now you can use the old version and export your videos without any problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.